I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger starter. First, always prioritize safety. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable to eliminate any electrical risks. Next, ensure your vehicle is securely lifted on jack stands, providing stable and safe access to the starter. Finally, gather all your essential tools, including various wrenches, sockets, and a reliable ratchet, to make the process smooth and efficient. Now let's locate the starter. It's usually found on the passenger side of the engine, often near the transmission bell housing. Once you've spotted it, carefully disconnect the main power cable from the starter solenoid. This is typically a larger gauge wire. After that, remove the smaller S-terminal wire, which activates the solenoid. Take your time with these connections to avoid any damage. With the wires disconnected, it's time to unbolt the starter. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding it in place. Use the appropriate socket and ratchet to loosen and remove these bolts. As you take out the last bolt, be sure to support the starter firmly to prevent it from falling. Then, carefully maneuver the starter out of its tight mounting position, being mindful of any surrounding components. When installing your new starter, always clean the mounting surface thoroughly to ensure a good connection. Then, carefully position the new starter and secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the S-terminal wire and the main power cable, making sure all electrical connections are tight and secure. Finally, reconnect your negative battery cable. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.